Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
A pleasure to meet you, ma'am and sir. I am Jasamiti Hermelio, 27 years old. I am a single mom with two kids.
Okay, so since you've mentioned that you have two kids, how old are they, ma'am?
My older son is 8 years old and my youngest son is 5 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
We only have two siblings, ma'am, and I am the youngest children, ma'am.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am college undergrad. I didn't finish my college because of financial problem.
So what course did you took up in college, ma'am?
I took up BSN, educate major in MAPI, ma'am.
So from what school?
Mountain View College, Valencia City, Bukidnon.
Okay, so do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am an ex-abroad. I work at Saudi Arabia. I did not finish my contract because it's a family problem, ma'am.
Okay, so since you work in Saudi Arabia, from what year, ma'am?
2024 to 2025, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities there, ma'am, as a domestic helper?
My duties and responsibility there, I work, I cook, cleaning, washing their clothes, ironing, cleaning the rooms, and cleaning the bathrooms, cook them, and taking care of the kids.
Okay, so since you've mentioned that you are taking care of children, how old are they, ma'am?
The older is 24, and the second 22 years old, and the third is 20 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you take care of children, ma'am?
Uh, I do prepare their foods, prepare their clothes, and send them to their school.
So, how would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and willing to learn more, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't have, ma'am.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
So, why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
Uh, I want to work abroad because of my two kids, to send them in a good school and to provide them all their needs.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
No, so right. So, do you have experience taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have pets at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many pets do you have, ma'am?
We have two cats and three dogs.
Okay, so can you give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
In the naughty children, I need to more patience and understanding. Read them books and read them stories and play with them all they want.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my future employer, I am a hardworking. I promise to you that I am willing to learn more and do my work as well, and I will do, and especially if you have children, I will take care of them as my own, and finish my contract.
Alright, is that all, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.